Hello and welcome to the Hustle Master channel. Today I have the opportunity to show you how you can use 3D printing in a practical way, for example, to improve your home. We live in a rental apartment that was situated in a different way than we use it. There are holes in the wall for cables to the TV which we don't use but are quite noticeable on the wall. As the flat is not ours, we cannot make a permanent intervention and brick up the hole. This is where 3D printing comes in. Since I bought a small printer for 3D prototyping, this is the perfect opportunity to use it. First we need to take some measurements. I use Blender and Fusion 360 as my 3D model design software. Because they are powerful and affordable or free. Now we just need to convert our measurements into a model. It is necessary to make the inner part of the model a little bigger but flexible to hold firmly inside the wall. Next, we need to make the model from the outside with an overlap to cover the entire hole. Now just load the model into Slicer and export to a USB flash drive. Then just replace the filament with the correct color and start printing. After a couple of hours we are done and ready to test. Problem solved, hole covered, and it is not a permanent solution. Just as we planned. Perfect way to justify buying a 3D printer for the home. Be sure to show this video to your wives and girlfriends. Oh, and don't forget to click the subscribe and like buttons.